Your personal brain training and coaching program. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. Let me tell you how it works and why it's different from anything that you've tried before. Okay, so I work with people who are struggling with attention, addiction, and anxiety issues. And most people don't understand that those issues are brain-based issues. They start in the brain, they end in the brain. So a pivotal piece to being able to succeed in conquering those challenges is brain training. Now, the way that brain training works is we simply use this headband, and it's high-tech, brand new technology that uses technology that's been around for 100 years, perfected and put into a headband instead of in a massive computer like it used to be 50 years ago. Now you can put this headband on and it will train your brain to make more of calm, focused speed that's in the middle and to decrease that anxiety mode, decrease that mode in your brain that craves stimulation. And that is at the root of ADHD, addiction, and anxiety. Brain training is the pivotal piece that can interrupt the brain pattern that is causing your issues. So in my personal neuro training program, we get you training your brain using your headband at home right away. Then we add in coaching sessions weekly with me. Each week, I am able to, on top of looking at your brain training sessions, I can see the data in my online platform, so I can literally see what your brain is doing within sessions and across sessions to secondly be able to give you techniques and strategies and tips that you can use specifically for you in your life to be able to use a bottom-up approach also. What I mean by that is we're going to use the behaviors of your body and your mind to also rewire your brain. So we do it in two ways. We rewire your brain at the root of the cause in your brain. That's a top-down approach. Then we use your mind and your body through these strategies for a bottom-up approach. That's using both sides of the streets to be able to conquer your challenges. In the program that you'll see on my website, it's a 4-week program and we meet weekly to be able to get some strategies going that are all based in neuroscience and use neuroplasticity to help you get over that initial hump, moving in the right direction. Then after that, you can decide what frequency you would like to continue with coaching, and anywhere from weekly, or some people do it 2 times a week, down to 1 time a month. And I also have a video monitoring program that I can just make you a video on your brain training progress and send it to you, and we don't have to chat at all, even though I still would like to. Okay, so for you to be able to figure out if this personal neuro training and coaching program is for you, on my website at drtrishleigh.com, there is a link for a consultation. It's a $29 consultation. You and I privately talk for 20 minutes and I find out what's going on in your life and I tell you specifically how I can help you using brain training and using brain health coaching. We make a plan in that consultation. During that consultation time, you also get a link for an exclusive 15% discount off of your brain training headband. You can only get this discount by working with me. So basically your consultation pays for itself and you actually make a little money off of it. And in the consultation, you're set on the right path to get you moving in the right direction so that we can control your brain, so that it doesn't control you, so that you can improve your life and reach your full potential. So go to my website at drtrishleigh.com, click the consultation button, sign up, find a time that works great for you, and I look forward to talking with you to see how I can help. Thanks.